All right, what's going on, guys? Just want to make a quick video. Finally got my oil catch installed, my oil catch can installed. Kind of want to explain some of the complications I had. Let's take a look at it real quick. The funny thing about this is actually not for my car. So I have a 2018 Dodge Challenger. They sent me a product that was meant for a 2015 through 17. Going back and forth with them, they sent me some documents that I'll go ahead and link down below. That pretty much is the instructions for how to assemble this. But something that I just want to clear up for everybody that's fixing to install this. I initially thought that the bolt that we were going to be taking off was this one right here, but it actually was this one back here. Yeah, that might be a better view for you. So just go ahead and make sure that you are taking off the right bolt. When you are screwing in this actual new screw here, you're gonna want a little extender that goes through here. It took us some time, but this gap right here is a lot better than trying to screw it in using this gap right here. But then again, this is pretty self-explanatory. You got the orange here. Let me go ahead and pop this off for everyone. So we got the orange connector right here. Put that underneath this ratchet, connects it right here, and then this hose goes underneath everything, connects to the engine bay. Now, just some advice, I recommend putting this one on first, the one that goes underneath everything, just so it's not in your way. One thing I am curious about, and maybe you can drop it down in the comments below, this piece is really tight on the can itself. So when I have to take it off, I don't know if it's going to give me some trouble, but we will see that. I did notice on this model that I did receive was I have this little piece here. And this washer, for some reason, is very loose. Here. This washer is very loose. We tightened this with the Allen wrench all the way, so it's tight, and I actually started stripping it. I don't know if you can tell. So we didn't want to go anymore, but for some reason this is loose, and if someone can help me explain that, I really would appreciate it. That pretty much sums it up. If you do have any questions for me, it works now. I haven't really driven it yet. Turned it on, it's working, but we'll see how it runs. I'll make sure to post an update video. But again, if somebody had some of these complications, I hope that this did help. And if you do have a 2018 or old or newer, and this goes for Hellcat, Red Eye, or Demon, this model actually does work. So again, thank you guys for joining. I really do appreciate it. Y'all have a great day.